here's how to make Google Sheets shortcut on desktop. Now, in order for us to proceed with this one, I have just opened here Google, and then we're gonna head over here to this 9 dots here in order for us to see the apps, and then we're going to head over to Sheets. Now, I'm going to click this one, and afterwards we should be redirected here. Now from this point forward, what you're going to do is just tap on this 3 vertical dots, and then we're going to look for cast, save, and share. Now here you should be able to see an option, install pages app. Go ahead and click that over there. Now you can rename this one, but I'm just going to leave it as is, and then tap the install button right here, and you should be able to have your sheets ready. Now I'm going to close this, and then we're going to head over to the desktop, and we should be able to see Sheets here. If I open this one, it should redirect me to Google Sheets right away. Now from this point forward, you can then go ahead and try to create your own blank sheets, or basically open the presets that or templates found here at the top. And that is how you are going to make Google Sheets shortcut on desktop.